Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing something super fun. Not only is Barbie dressed up in a fabulous tissue paper gown, but it also have an exciting story to share with you all. In this story, Barbie is not just a fashion icon, she is a superhero. Yes, you heard that right. Barbie is about to save the day and protect her city from a dangerous villain. Let's get into the story and see how Barbie became a hero. Then get started. Once upon a time, in a bright, bustling city, Barbie lived in an ordinary life as a fashion designer. But one night, everything was changed. The sky turned dark and huge storm covered the city. It was not just any storm, there was something strange about it. It was not natural. People were scared and the city was in chaos. Buildings were getting damaged and the weather was completely unpredictable. Barbie knew she could not just stand by and watch. One evening, while Barbie was working late in her design studio, something strange happened. As she looked outside at the raging storm, a bolt of lightning struck the ground light in the front of her building. The lightning hit an old emerald she had found during one her travel. When the lightning struck, the emerald started glowing. Before Barbie knew it, she was surrounded by a bright light. Barbie felt a surge of energy in her body. She touched the she touched the amulet and suddenly she discovered she had a superpower. She could fly, control the weather, and even create protective cell. Barbie realized she was no longer an ordinary fashion designer. She was now a superhero designed to protect the city from the strange storm. While Barbie while Barbie was still trying to figure out her power, a mysterious villain appeared on the news. His name was Dark Storm, and he had the ability to control the weather and create chaos wherever he went. He announced that he would take over the city and force everyone to follow his rule, or else he would destroy it with endless storm. Barbie knew she could not let that happen. She had to stop Dark Storm before he caused more damage. With her new power, Barbie put on her superhero outfit, a sleek, shiny suit with her signature color, and flew into the sky, ready to face Dark Storm. Barbie flew high above the city, her cape fluttering in the wind. They spotted Dark Storm standing on the top of a skyscraper, storming dark clouds and lightning to strike the city. Barbie swooped down and confronted him. You cannot control the city like this. Barbie shouted, I would not let you hurt innocent people. Darkstorm laughed, ha ha ha, and said, you think you can stop me? No one can control the weather but me. Barbie was not afraid. She raised her hand and used her new power to create a barrier around the city, protecting it from the storm. Dark Storm was shocked. No one had ever been able to block his power before. Angry, and he laughed a powerful bolt of lightning at Barbie, but she dodged it and flew higher, ready to fight back. At first, Barbie struggled to fully control her new abilities. The storm was fierce and went on. Barbie remember the wisdom of an old amulet. It was not just about fighting with strength, it was about using her intelligence and creativity to outsmart her opponent. Barbie flew around the city, guiding the storm away from the buildings and people. She realized that Instead of finding dark storm head on, she could use her power to calm the storm. She summoned the sun to break through the cloud, and the storm began to weaken. The, the wind slowed down and the rain stopped. Barbie's creativity was her greatest strength, and she knew how to turn the tide of the battle. Dark Storm was furious that Barbie had weakened his storm. He tried to summon more dark cloud, but Barbie was not going to let him win. She flew toward him and said, "It's over, Dark Storm. Your power can't control this city anymore." With one final push, Barbie used her power to clear the sky completely. The sun shone brightly over the city, and the dark storm energy started to fade. He realized he could not defeat Barbie. Her courage and determination were too strong. Defeated Dark Storm vanished into thin air, leaving Barbie victorious. With the storm gone and Dark Storm defeated, the city was safe once again. The people cheered as a Barbie flew through the sky, thanking her for saving them. Barbie returned to her design studio where her friends were waiting to congratulate her. They could not believe that their friend, the fashion designer, was also a superhero. Barbie smiled and said, "We all have the power to make a difference, whether it's through fashion, kindness, or courage. Today I used my power to protect the city, but I believe we can all be the hero in our way." So, what the lesson from this Barbie story? Please tell me in the comment. Sometimes we discover that we have more power inside of us than we ever realize. Whether it's superpower or just the courage to stand up for what's right, we can all do amazing things. Barbie teaches us that with creativity, bravery, and little bit of magic, we can overcome any challenges that comes our way. Thank you. Thank you all for joining me on this superhero adventure. Barbie showed us that we can be heroes no matter what our talent are. I hope you love this story as much I did. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and comment below if you would like to hear more Barbie's story. See you in the next time for another video, another amazing adventure. Thank you for watching.